Okay, what phone should you buy if you want to start mobile videography? The answer? Get yourself an Hey there, my name is Paul and I'm here to share with you how to capture your awesome moments on mobile. Mobile videography is starting to get traction simply because mobile phones nowadays have great cameras. It may have a small sensor size, but it has dramatically improved over the couple of years and it can deliver. Aside from that, it's also compact. So compact that you have a cinematic tool that fits in your pocket and in your budget. So to help you choose what phone you should buy, here are some things that you need to look for if you want to buy a phone for mobile videography. But before we begin, what camera are you using? Let me know in the comment section below. If you're done, let's get right on with the tips, shall we? The first thing that you should consider is price, of course. Remember, mobile videography doesn't have to be expensive. You can buy second-hand or refurbished phones as long as it delivers what you want to use it for. Of course, it's not bad if you spend a lot of cash to buy the best camera phone out there. Just keep in mind that there are budget-friendly options out there that can deliver the kind of footages you want for your project. After all, camera phone sensors are tiny. So don't expect great image coming from a phone if you are comparing it to a full-size DSLR or a compact mirrorless camera. It's like comparing apples to oranges. To compensate for the lack of sensor surface area, you need to look for a camera phone that shoots in 4K. For iPhones, they introduced the 4K video when they launched the iPhone 6s and 6 Plus. Of course, over the years, the technology changes and they have better 4K quality in their latest lineup. If you're looking for older iPhone models, I would suggest you get the 7 and 7 Plus models. Why? Because it's proven that it can deliver. Steven Soderbergh made a full-length film using an iPhone 7 Plus. But whether you choose an iPhone or not, just make sure that it shoots 4K. I'm just saying iPhones here because that's what I've been using. Since you are shooting 4K, you are creating larger file sizes, so look for a phone with decent storage capabilities. If you are using an iPhone, your storage is limited. Unlike Android phones, with Android phones you can expand your storage by inserting a micro SD card and record directly into the micro SD card. With iPhones, you're gonna have to have one of these. This is an expandable storage made specifically for iPhones. This is what I use whenever I shoot my videos. After I shoot, I immediately transfer the footages here. I can even organize it by creating folders, then delete the videos on my phone and start shooting again. There are two types of stabilization in smartphones: optical and electronic or digital stabilization. Digital stabilization means your image is being stabilized using a software inside your phone. It also tends to crop your image a bit to get rid of that wobbly image, while optical stabilization is more of a mechanical type of stabilization. It's like having a gimbal inside your phone. There are phones out there in the market right now that have both kind of stabilization, but of course it comes with a price. If you're gonna ask me, as long as you have image stabilization, you're all set. Having a larger screen size helps. When you are shooting in an outdoor environment, it's nice to have a larger monitor to compose your shots. You can see better if your shots are focused, because if you have larger monitors, you can see better if your shots are focused. But of course, with larger screens, it becomes a bit bulky, so look for a camera phone that fits right in your hands. Ultimately, you will be faced with this question: should I get an iPhone or an Android camera phone? And the answer? Well, it's up to you. Remember that photos or videos are subjective, so whatever the case is, You can choose your own tool. As I've said before in the previous video, it's not about the gun, but it's about the shooter. Even if you are a soldier with the most sophisticated state-of-the-art rifle out there, but if that soldier can't shoot an enemy from a short distance, then what the hell is the point? For me, I use an iPhone because I have been using iPhone ever since. That is the only reason. Now, if you want to learn more about mobile videography, start by watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more moments on mobile, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!